How's it going, everyone? This is TJ Kuno 25. It's going to do a review on the Apevia 200mm case fan. So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to install onto a Cooler Master FX. I've already installed a second Cooler Master 200mm fan, but I am going to do some water cooling. So the reason why I decided to try out the Apevia 200mm case fan is because on the Newegg website it is rated with a higher static pressure than the Cooler Master. So you'll be seeing a test between a 200mm case fan and the Apevia 200mm case fan. Would be nice if I had another hand here. Missed one screw. No. Stay. There we go. This one is plugged in over here. Okay. My other 200mm Cooler Master case fan being removed. Just going to use the same screws that were on there to mount the new fan into place. I'm going to be plugging it into the front top end. Or installing, actually, is the correct word. Definitely wish I had more hands here. if you guys wanted to actually see me install it, you know, actually see the fan, I'm sorry about that. Just kind of doing it on the fly. Stay put. As you can see, there's this little wire here that's keeping this from falling off, and don't know what it's for. Okay, where'd I put that screwdriver? Note to self, keep track of where tools are at all times. Crap. Let alone it roll underneath your case. Shit. To plug it into the daisy chain I had the other one on, which was way over here. Find it. There it is. There we go. Alrighty, so installation is complete. So now we're going to do a slight test. Since I don't have any machine that will actually read out the how much air force that it pushes out, I'm just going to go do it ghetto style using 2 pieces of toilet paper and Scotch tape. So we tape one end to each vent. I'll do it from the side actually, that way. Right there. Also on the website of Newegg, it's also specified at being just about as quiet as the Cooler Master version of the 200mm fan. So we'll probably do a sound test later, or I'll just give you my opinion when I can hear it. Okay, booting it on. Both are about pretty quiet. Okay. I will turn down my CPU cooler fan. Right now I'm using a Zalman 99. As target speed, we'll go to level 2. Actually, I can still hear my CPU fan, so I'll drop it down one more notch to level 1. Alright. Now, as you can see the Cooler Master here and the Apevia and Seems to be pushing about the same amount of air. Just putting my hand on top here. Both are silent, so can't really tell how loud it is. Just without a special tool. But as you can see, let's go ahead and zoom you in closer over there. Oops. Just let's see. Now, they're both LED lit, so I'll go ahead and turn off the lights so you can check out the LEDs. Which one's brighter, actually. And from this standpoint, you can't really see anything, so I'll just take the tripod. Move it on over. Okay, zoom out here would be nice. Okay. Both are about the same brightness, in my opinion. So, well, that's it for my review. Or actually, I'll call this a test video. So, leave any comments on the bottom and tell me what you think. Laters.